choosing new real estate markets to invest in. It can be a wide market, I think, Ron. We told a coaching student that yesterday, I believe. Like, just choose the state or area or region and then go from there.
It all comes down to buying at the right price. And the advantage is, and we talk about it quite a bit, the advantage is really learning a market. If you can become extremely knowledgeable about a market, know the relationship, know the realtors, know the title companies, know how fast you can close on a deal once you get it under contract. If you can be really good with those relationships, understanding the comps in the market as it changes, then you can make so much money in one individual market, even one city, whether it's land or other property types.
Yeah, your education and kind of knowledge of the markets compounds, I think, to make you more future money. There's a quote by Warren Buffett actually on that, how your knowledge is future money or something. Education is future money. So the more you invest in one specific area, the easier it's going to get for that area, the more deals you're going to be able to find, the more connections you're going to have in that area. So things do compound.